What's up guys, I'm Liam. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can run Windows XP on Android using Limbo x86. So for this, we will need the Windows XP QCOW 2. Everything will be given in the description, so you don't need to worry. So let's get started with the video. So if you want to know how to install Limbo, just do the on-screen prompts and press yes for everything, and that's it. So over here, once you finish installing, go to Limbo x86. Now actually, if you do not know what Windows XP is, well, remember that something which was called the best OS, it was released in 2001, the best operating system in the world, like that was Windows XP. So I'll show you how to run it on Limbo x86. Just so open Limbo x86. On the none button, if you do not want to do that way, press on the three dots menu, press on create a machine. You can type in whatever you want, but I'll just type in Windows XP. Oh no, ZP. I'll create a new other one. Yes, press on create. Select anywhere other than the box. Over here, select x86 PC. Over here, select Pentium 2 and give it 1 core and around 512 megabytes of RAM. Actually 520 I will give it, but give it 512. Give it 520 for best experience, but 512 for, like that. So hard disk A, select the hard disk A and press on open. I'll just come back here. Now as you can see, the Limbo file, which is this, that there's a tick on, that is not still unzipped. So what we are going to do now here is we're going to be going to Z-Archiver, install from Google Play Store. Over here, extract to archive name. It'll extract quickly because it's 162 megabytes only. Okay, as you can see, the Windows XP.QCOW2 we got. So come back to Limbo x86. Now go to the Windows XP folder that I created. Press on the Windows XP.QCOW2. Now over here, press on the CD. You don't need to press anything on CD-ROM. So VGA display, select standard. Network, press on TAP. If it shows like this, select user, and over here select Net2K to PCI to RTL8139. And now, no, it's not NRD that we need. For the kernel and NRD, do not select anything, but boot from device, select hard disk. All the others is yours. If you want a VNC, you can use VNC, SDO, whatever. So press on the start button, or the YouTube play button type thing. Now you'll be met with this black screen with a loading bar coming up soon. As you can see, it will go pretty quick. Now as I always tell, I do always test it out before I use it. So as you can see, it says Windows XP over here. Yeah, and with 512 itself, it was speedy quick. But for best experience, use 520. As you can see, it's almost finished. Now you'll be met with a blue screen with a cursor. So wait for some time until it shows the user you're going to want to log in. So do not touch it or anything. Let it load by itself. So yeah. I really wanted to use Windows XP because all the ISOs that I found were never working, so this is the only one that works for me. But anyways, now over here it will take some time, just a minute, and then you'll be met with this familiar login screen. Windows is starting up. See, this Windows XP. Just a minute. Oh my god. Alright, so yep. Now this went pretty quick, so I may or may not, yeah, there we are. So it will take some time if you press on the user thing with the cursor. Instead of that, just press on this button that there's a thing on, and over here press the enter key. Use hacker's keyboard for this for best experience. It's still, yeah, as you can see, it works. Yes. Wait for a minute. It will take some time, of course, but... And also there's no password for this, so don't worry. If it still does not respond, just press the enter key. Okay, actually it will take some time. I'll be right back once it's... Yeah, there it is. It load up the desktop speedy quick, I'm telling you. I mean, it is a little slow, but that's expected. Because 800 megs of memory did not work, so 512, I guess. Or I mean, if you want, you can put 512, 520, but don't put lower than that. It will take longer time than it's taking to boot up a 1985 PC with Windows 12. As you can see, with the familiar, bliss thing. As you can see, and that's it. The start button will come up soon. Refresh the desktop, and here it is. Now, oh yeah, there we go. So as you can see, it's syncing the time correctly. Or here it says file 5, but it's saying file 6 over there. But that's not such a big problem. But if it says found new hardware, just click on that X button. Yep. Yeah. So as you can see, it oh no, if it keeps showing that, just press cancel on that. Okay, so yeah, there you are. So I'll show you that this is Windows XP. As you can see, it works perfectly fine. If it shows the found new hardware wizard, just press cancel. Now, yeah. I don't care about... As you can see, file 7, so it syncs my time correctly. And no, this is not a beta version of Windows XP, that's why it's so small. I mean, the QCOW 2 was small, so don't ask me why, I don't know. As you can see, if I go to CMD, it works. I mean, yeah. So over here, I'll just press the back key and just type Winver. Everything correct? Yes. As you can see, I'll just close out of that. Yeah. As you can see, this is Windows XP Home Edition Service Pack 2. Both 2600, the RTM version. So, it's very cool, right? I mean, it's the first time for me even checking it out in a very, very long time. So, let's see if the volume works, which I doubt. Yep. So what it will do now is here, if it takes it like that, where's that thing? I mean, yeah. If we type that over there, yeah, WinRAR will come up. If we type run again, and yeah, it'll be a little slow, okay? As you can see, it works perfectly fine. Now, if you want to change the wallpaper, which I'm not going to be doing, on your phone, that is, or tablet, just press on the volume down button, as you can see. And if you want to let go of this thing, just press anywhere. That's it. So if you guys enjoyed this video or found this helpful, thank you guys for watching. Comment, subscribe, see you guys later. Bye.